Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorial. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin itong pipe head loss. So yung head loss, meron tayong ditong tatlong formula na ginagamit. The first one is itong Manning's formula. So yung formula ni Manning, we have 10.29 L times NQ squared over D to the power of 16 over 3. So yung N natin, that is the coefficient of the roughness. Q is the discharge in cubic meter per second. D is the diameter in meters. And L is the length of your pipe in meters. The second formula that we use is using the Hisen-Williams formula. Ginagamit naman natin to if yung constant C is given dun sa pipe. No? So, yung formula natin in calculating the discharge, we have 0.2785 S to the power of 0.54 C, then D to the power of 2.63. Pero meron tayong formula that would calculate directly the head loss, which is 10.67 LQ raised to the power of 1.84 over C to the power of 1.85 D to the power of 4.87. There are books that use, instead of 10.67, they use 10.64. No? So, anyway, pag itry mo din yung dalawang constant na yun, halos di man din lumalayo yung sagot. No? So, yung ginagamit ko na lang itong 10.67. So, yung C, that is the Hisen-Williams constant. The Q is the discharge, D is the diameter, and L is the pipe length. Yung pangatlong formula na ginagamit natin, itong kang Darcy-Weisbach formula. Na? So, yung formula niya, dalawa. So, we have this FLD over multiplied by the velocity head. V squared over 2J. So, FLD multiplied by the velocity head. We have also another formula in terms of Q. This one is in terms of velocity. Maganda to pag velocity, yung gusto mong makuha. Ito naman maganda pag Q. So yung Q is 0.0826 FL Q squared over diameter to the power of 5. So yung Q natin, that is the discharge in cubic meter per second. Yung D is the diameter in meters. The L is the length of pipe in meters. And F is the friction factor. And then V is the velocity in meter per second. So ginagamit naman natin si Darcy-Weisbach if yung friction factor is given. So yung tatlong formula na yon, meron tayong mnemonics for that. No? So I have this engineers conversation about their flight schedules. No? So pinag-uusapan nilang tatlo kung ano yung mga flight schedules nila. No? So ito yan. No? So tinanslate ko lang. English dapat yan. No? Kasi mga ano to, mga French man to. No? So baka French din yan. No? So tinanslate ko na lang, no, yung mga conversation nilang tatlo. No? So according to Manning, kang Hisen-Williams, tsaka si Darcy-Weisbach. No? Si Manning, yung kausap niya si Hisen-Williams. No? And then si Hisen-Williams, yung kausap niya si Darcy-Weisbach. Pero silang tatlo yun, magkasama yan. No? So sabi ni Manning, no? Naku, di ba may lakad ka? October 29. So yun yung sabi niya. Tinanong niya si Hisen-Williams. No? So parang na-shock siya. Di ba may lakad ka? Parang ganun ba? No? So naku, di ba may lakad ka? October 29. So sabi ni Hisen-Williams, hindi. October 6 and 7 pa, no? Laging quiet. Napansin niya kasi si Darcy, laging quiet, no? Parang may tinatago, no? So, sabi niya dun kang Manning, nagtanong, no? So, sabi niya, hindi, October 6 and 7 pa. Laging quiet si Darcy, forget my flight. So, yun yung sabi niya. Napansin niya kasi matahimik si Darcy, no? Kaya, laging quiet. So, sabi ni Darcy, oo, October 26. Flight ko to, departing soon. So, yun yung sabi niya. So, mas maaga yung flight ni Darcy-Weisbach kasi October 26 eh. Pa-flight niya na, di ba? So, siya yung pinakauna magdi-depart sa tatlong to, no? So, ito naman si Manning, medyo malayo pa siya, no? Kasi October 20 na. Itong si Hisen, October 6 and 7, no? Yung flight niya, eh. So, ganun lang, no? Tatanda lang natin to. This conversation also represents the formula. Okay? So, himay-himayin natin, ha? Himay-himayin natin. Okay, using Manning's formula, ito 'yon, di ba? So ito 'yan, para gi-rearrange na ako, na? Nahirapan mag-Tagalog. Okay, so, gi-arrange na ako siya, na? Yan. So, ito yung sabi, di ba? Naku, di ba? May lakad ka. So, ito yan, no? Ito yung naku, no? Dalawang beses inulit yung naku. Yan. Okay, kanya-kanyang diskarte na lang yan, no? Bayaan mo niya na ako, no? So, naku. So, di ba? May, ito yun, ha? So, yung 1 parang I, yung B, ito yun, eh. So, di ba? Yan, ha? Di ba? May, na? Yan. May lakad ka. October 29. So, yun, no? So, ganun lang pala, na? So, ganun lang siya pag memorize. Okay? Sige. Ayan, na? So, sabi naman ni Hazen William, hindi, October 6 and 7 pa, laging quiet si Darcy porkit may flight, na? So, ganito, na? So, ito yung hindi, na? October 6 and 7 pa, na? Laging, ito yung quiet, yan. Q, itong 1 parang I, na? ET, so, eat, di ba? So, eat yan, na? Biyan nyo na? So, quiet, then, C, na? Di ba? Kasi yung S parang, ano eh, no? Yung parang 5, eh, no? So, C, na? So, parang ito na din yun, no? Quiet, C, so, ito din yun, C. Okay? So, pamahita ka ng C, meaning copy, no? So, i-copy mo lang yung 1.85 na yan. Okay? So, quiet, C. Okay, C, copy, no? Copy lang. Yeah? Darcy, no? So, laging quiet si Darcy. Poor, no? Kit, again, yung ET, parang 8 yan, no? And then yung F, no? Yung 7, parang F yan, eh, no? Flight, yan, no? So, hindi October 6 and 7 pa, laging quiet si Darcy, forget my flight. Yan. Okay? So, ganun lang pala, no? So, ganun lang pala, no? Pumemorize niya. Okay, problem number 3. Yung pangatlong formula, yung Darcy-Weisbach, so ito naman yun, ha? Oo, October 26, flight ko to, departing soon. Yan, sabi niya. Okay? So, ito yung oo, no? Yan. August 26, no? So, tandaan niyo lang, no? 826. Flight ko to, departing soon. Yan, ha? So, ganun lang pag-memorize. Okay? So, solve natin yung problem na to. For a while. So, yung tanong dito, a new cast iron pipe must carry 1.2 cubic meter per second at a head loss of 5 meter per kilometer length of pipe. So, compute the diameter of the pipe using the Hazen-William with C equal to 120. So, kumbaga, pag i-solve natin to, so, using Hazen-William, so, yun yung si Hazen, ha? Si laging quiet, na? So, hindi, na? This is Hazen-William. So, hindi. October 6 and 7 pa, na? Laging quiet. C, copy mo lang daw to. C, Darcy. Na? Forget my flight. Yan. So, yun yung formula. Okay, so the head loss is 5 meters. Yung length is 1 kilometer. Na? Kasi per kilometer. So, you have 10.67 Length is 1 meters. Kung 1 kilometer, so 1,000 meters. Q, yun yung 1.2 cubic meter per second. So, we have 1.2 raised to power of 1.85. Given yung C natin, which is 120, 1.85. Yung diameter, ito yung tanong, 4.87. So, thus, the diameter, so formula based lang to. So, kumbaga, kung memoryado mo lang yung formula, wala naman ding problema na. So, yung mahirap lang naman dito, yung formula yun. Mahirap kasi i-memorize. So, anyway, hindi na ngayon, ha? So, kasi may mnemonics na tayo. So, 1,000, then 1.2 to the power of 1.85. And then, divide lang natin to by 120 to the power of 1.85. And then, we multiply it by the diameter. Yan yung tanong eh. So, 4.87. So, shift solve. So, itry ko na lang yung mga choices dito. Kung ano yung baka chumamba. No? So, try natin 0.84. Para mabilis yung, yung pag-solve. So, ito na, no? So, you have 0.839. So, 84. So, the answer is 0.84 meters. So, ito na yung sagot. Letter A. Okay, next problem. So, ano naman yung diameter if we use the Manning's formula? So, meron siyang coefficient of roughness which is 0.012. So, pag si Manning, siya yung pinakauna sa conversation. Yun yung naku. Di ba may lakad ka? October 29. So, yun yan. Ha? So, for Manning's, so, using Manning, yun yung naku. Di ba may lakad ka? October 29, ha? Sinabi ko kanina, October 29. Yeah. Yun yung 26, yun yung sa, no? Yung 0.0826 na. So anyway, if ever tandaan mo lang yung 0.0826 na. 829 kasi yun dito. So ito na, no? So we have 5. We have n, which is 0.012 multiplied by q, which is 1.2. Oops. Nangyari. So yun yung 1.2 dito. To the power of square 2. Diameter, yun yung tanong. So 16 over 3. Length, 1 kilometer, so 1,000 times 10.29. So therefore, masolve natin si diameter. 0. So using our calculator, hindi naman to calculator. So using our calculator, so we have 5, so alpha equals 0.012 times 1.2. Squared natin to, diameter. Yun yung tanong, no? So, then to the power of 16 divided by 3. And then L, the length is 1,000. So we have 1,000. And then we have 10.29. So i-try lang natin yung nasa choices. So shift solve natin. Then try lang natin yung nasa choices. No? So para madali yung iteration ng number. So try ko letter B. Yeah? So you have 0.85. So the answer is 0.85. So, yan na yung sagot. Okay? So, the answer is letter A. Next is using the Darcy-Weisbach formula. So, using Darcy-Weisbach, so, yun yung formula na yung sa head loss, yung OO, August. Yan, August 26, no? Kasi January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, tama. So, August 26. Flight ko to, departing soon. Yan. So, we have 5 meters. This is 0.0826. Fraction factor is 0.021. F is, ayun yung 0.21, ha? Nangyari. Length, 1,000. Q, 1.2 squared. Diameter, yun yung tanong. So, thus, masolve natin yung diameter using the Darcy-Weisbach. So, 0 point. So, using our calculator. So, we have 5. This is, kung kaya mo tandaan naman yung anyway, yung mnemonics natin, pang ano lang yun ha, pang possible backup mo lang ha. So, mas maganda talaga kung memoryado mo din yung formula mo. Mas mabilis kasi pag ganun. Okay? So, 0.0, it doesn't mean nga palitan mo na talaga. No? Kung kaya mo naman i-memorize, so, mas maganda. No? So, 1,000, then we have 1.2 to the power of 2. And then, divide lang natin to sa diameter niya, which is yun yung required, to the power of 5. Then, shift solve. So, we get, try lang natin yung nasa choices. Pwede yung 0.87. So, equal. So, we have 0.87. So, yung maganda nung magta-try ka sa choices kasi andyan yung mga malapit na sagot eh. So, doon mo lang i-try na lang. Okay, so 0.87 meters. So, the answer is letter A. Okay, so I think that's it no, for this video. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.